Now, what type of information is required in order to bring the business into existence? The type of information you would put in the articles of organization. With any business entity, corporation or LLC, you would put your location, that is your primary place of business where the records for the business will be stored. A registered agent, someone who can be contacted with correspondence or, if necessary, service of process to the business. You will identify your role in bringing the business into existence, which is often known as the promoter role, the person filing or creating the business entity, whether it is on your own behalf or on behalf of others. You will oftentimes, not in every state, need to identify the initial owners of the business. Some states do allow for simply recording the promoter and not identifying the owners of the business entity. Other states require that you identify the owners of the business entity. This is specifically with LLCs rather than corporations. Okay. And then for corporations, you can do this with LLCs, but it is required for corporations. You will identify a class of stock that you are issuing. If you are issuing more than one class of stock, like common stock and preferred stock, you would identify those classes of stock. You would identify the number of shares of the stock that you are going to issue and in each class of ownership that you issue. And other than that, there are some general state required language that you would have to put in there, generally identifying the state rules that you will observe for the business entity. And you will receive your certificate of incorporation or your certificate of organization. A corporation receives a certificate of incorporation while an LLC receives a certificate of organization. And this is evidence that your business is now official and in existence legally. Another word you might hear is your corporate charter, which is used synonymously with certificate of incorporation for a corporation. And so in general, that is the map or process for setting up a business entity.